Here we have a quick closet organizer install. All right, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Rubbermaid, okay? Got the closet here. This was in a video at one time. I did the baseboards and the heater covers. I'll tell you what, everything came out nice. All the trim work I did. All right, so we're gonna hang some curtain rods. Where are they? Right there, and then we're gonna go with this closet organizer. Take everything out. One thing, follow the instructions, okay? But you have a lot of, most important is the top rail. It's where everything hangs from. These guys here, okay? Get those in the stud, and then we're gonna lay this out. See the way the customer wants it with shelves and things like that. All right. All right, we're finished with the closet organizer. It came out nice. It's Rubbermaid. And she has a cool light in her closet. It's a sensor light, just a light bulb. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little sensor on there and it goes on by itself, which is cool. And they did a beautiful job. I mean, look at this room. It's like a princess room. Look, she has her own chandelier. Curtain rods came out beautiful. Okay. Very nice room. And her name is Sadie. And it's just a beautiful room. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe, share, and like. And we'll catch you on the next video. I'll try to put Sunny in this one at the end. If not, we'll see Sunny on the next video. All right, guys, take care.